Wow, look at all the people out here in their tents.
Oh, yeah. Oh boy.
Woo, man, look at the crowd out here.
I think some of them said they come over here for early.
A lot of people out here for the 4th of July, 2021.
Oh boy, even, oh boy. My goodness, look at that. The whole beach. Oh boy. Alright. I see this all camping or the trailer.
A lot of RV trailers.
Oh.
RV vehicles.
My goodness. For sure they come here so early. So they can get the parking. Oh no. Oh boy.
If I pull in here, I can pop out down there, or I have to come back here.
Oh, I don't know. You don't need to.
Yeah, let's let you go, buddy.
Don't need because the parking is crazy also, Daddy.
Oh yeah, I'm sure there's no parking.
No, I mean it's hard to. You need to pass, and then there's some cars blocking because they cannot park. Marami.
We may do a ride around Fiesta Island while we're here
No,
too.
just go straight lang. Oh,
Oh look, they got the parking lot blocked off. There's no room. There's no room left to
Yeah.
park. The police got it blocked off. Wow, it's crowded down here this weekend.
Some suppose that lucky it's under the tree. Then it's not that. It's really crowded.
This might be the most people I've ever seen down here.
Probably, yeah. Even both sides is full.
They even got the marina closed. I don't think they're letting anybody in there unless you have a boat. That's what it is.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
So maybe that's for the boat. Yeah. Because some people will park there and then the boat with the trailer they cannot park it where they will let some. Yeah. This is really. Agoy, traffic.
Holy smokes! This is definitely the most people I've ever seen down here at Mission Bay.
What are they doing? They're looking for the parking.
Yeah, they're all looking. Thank goodness we're just driving through to see what's going on. We're not having to park.
Yeah.
It'd be crazy parking here today. I might put these in a dash cam video one day.
You cannot park. That's why, like this, you need to go early, so early.
Holy smokes, look at the people.
Oh my God, they're
I don't know what they got waiting on.
lots of RVs. Pang camping. Look at this.
That's our part. That's where we go.
Yeah.
You can't even get in there today.
You cannot even park there.
Holy
my
smokes, it's crowded.
Yeah. We're not the water. Fun. Oh.
There's several $1 million worth of RVs parked along here. There's so many of them, man.
Yeah.
Oh boy, now I think we're catching the traffic.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it. So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Is that dog driving the car? Is that dog driving the car?